Okay, welcome guys. In this video, we'll be learning how to create a virtual server on a cloud platform, and the cloud platform we'll be using will be AWS. So yes, let's dive right into it. So when you've registered for an AWS account, this is like the main console interface. The first interface actually you'll be seeing. So since we want to create a virtual server, you need to come to the EC2 section. So is either you come there or you go to your search button and search for EC2. Search for EC2, you click on EC2, you can see virtual server in the cloud. So since we're here right now, just come to instance. So yeah, don't forget we want to create a virtual server on the cloud, so I'll just launch an instance. So I'll give the instance a name. I just say VPS virtual private server. I would select the operating system, which is the Ubuntu. Then you select the IAM. This IAM is like selecting the specific IAM you want to use. In this case, we want to use Ubuntu 24 version. 24.0 version. So we have other versions. We have the 22, we have the 20, but then we're going to be using the latest 24. Then 64 bits. Your instance, usually you can actually select any instance of your choice, but in this case we're going with the free tier. Then my key pair. Now the advantage of having a key pair is this literally is what you're going to use to be able to have access or log in into the virtual server via SSH or RDP. That's if you will be installing a Windows server, but in this case we just installed a Linux server. So yeah, we're going to be using SSH protocol to gain access to it. So we can just create a new one. Let's create a new one. So yeah, we'll be creating a new one. In this case we just give it a name. So we're giving it a name, VPS. So just create. So in this case, you've seen that we just created our new key pair and it's automatically downloaded it for us. In this here, we'll create the security group. This is like the creating the inbound and outbound traffic, but in this case, I'm going to be using default. For the storage, I'll be staying with the default, which is 8, and that's basically it. That's basically all for this. Then I'll just launch my instance. So you can see my instance has been launched. So you can see it here, the VPS server is running and we're good to go. So let me just try to connect to it via the web. So you can see I have access to my instance, my newly created instance on AWS. So that's basically it, guys. That's how to create a virtual server on a cloud platform like AWS. Thank you very much. If there's any other question, if there's any question you have, drop it in the comment section below. Thanks. And the main aim of me doing these videos is because I'm actually studying for Compatia Cloud Plus exams. So I aim to read. When I read, I try to understand, then try to make a video of what I learned in every given topic. So yeah, this topic falls under the cloud concept, and this is basically under the two types of computing we have, which is the cloud computing and the traditional computing. So this is just an explanation of what the cloud computing looks like and is like. Thank you guys. That will be all.